everyone. Today I'm going to do one fun activity for you all. This is called a rocking bird. So see, I have this paper, I have cut it out. So how you have to do? First of all, I'm telling you. This is the example. Okay. So you have to take yellow color. First of all, you have to cut it in this shape. Okay. Then take your crayons. I would like yellow and orange to copy this. Okay, everyone. Then see what next we have to do. After that, we have to open it like that. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to take our glue stick and glue it there. So that I have done. Okay. All the main parts I have done. All these. Okay. So then after that, I have saved it for you all. So you can see how I will be doing. So I have this jumbo marker. Marker. So I'm going to do outline. So I have to go very carefully, like how it is done there. So do you know, I had made this demonstrate at night, okay, a few days back. So I was trying not to color it and save it for the video for you all, so you can see how I have done. So now next is the beak. Oh my god. And then one tiny dot as the nose. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, don't worry. So now the outlining is done. Oh look, it's a cup for a crayon. Okay, so now let's do the whole bird. On my finger! On my finger! And you know why I have made like this? These are the feathers. Because duck bees are feathery also sometimes. A few times. Few ducks can be feathery also. Ah! What was that thing? Ah! What is happening? Ting. Across the finger and on the finger. Ah! What is happening? You know what I had done to make it perfect? I had done it with a pencil light. But then also I was able to see from a distance. Okay. So I have done the outline and look, it's a cup. Look, I'm showing you a cup. And I can color. But only by holding. There you go. Okay, so now this is done. Keep it here. So now what is the next step? Next step is to color it. So I am coloring it yellow because I am choosing yellow. So now I am going to color it. I have kept eraser under so I can do it because I don't want to keep my finger. What is happening? Okay, so now it just fell out. So now next step, I am going to do it right here at this place. Okay, everyone. And match a box is there, so it would be easy for this place. So now what I have to do, I have to shift it here. Okay, what is happening? So let me put it in here. Okay, then it cannot go there, but let me try to. Yeah, it is coming here. So now what I have to do is where eraser ends, I have to end there. Okay, so now I'm doing this part for you. Okay, so this part is next, the last part. Okay, after that we will do that middle. So now this is done, so no need match boxes there, so it will get some support, but here I will have to keep. So I am keeping my finger here. Ting 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 ting. Now let's do. And I have one rule for you. If you are doing like that, all should be like that. If you are doing like that, all like that. Like this or like that. In that way only. So I have choose this way, so I am doing in this way only. Because that is the rule. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening with the sheet? If there is something to do, you can just do like this, okay? You can just do it around with it, okay? So that you can do. That is fair, but for the inside, you have to do in one way only, okay? So I am going to do this, then we will do the inside, okay everyone? So now out is done. Now let's do the inside. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. So now the bird is done, but there is one detail missing. You know what it is? It is the eye. Oh, I forgot. I have to color in the big too. Tell me. It just popped out of nowhere. I need the eraser to keep. So I am going to color this in. Okay. Now what is next? Next I have to make the eye. So see, how I'm making one tiny dot. Done. Doesn't it look cute? It looks so cute, right? Okay, so bye. This is my activity. Bye. And you can see first of all. And see, it can stand like that. We can match boxes there. So bye. This is my rocking bird. Bye. I love you.